Brad Bisnet with Cole Publishing here, and I'm with Dave from General Pipe Cleaners. Dave, how are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing great. How about you?
Awesome, I'm doing great, and I'm excited to talk about ClogChoppers.
Yeah.
Tell me about this here.
Oh, these are great. I mean, these have been a game changer. People will buy one of these things. Just to give you some idea.
Okay.
They'll buy one size, and they'll come by, 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, and buy all the rest of the sizes for all their machines, because they work so well.
How many different sizes are there?
Well, they go 1 inch up to 4 inch.
Okay.
And you can get them for with different connectors on the back. So let's say you have a different type of cable, or a sectional machine, or a competitor machine even. We can get one of these put on it so that you can use this. But the beauty of these is that they do so much that you really only need one cutter in a lot of cases.
Okay.
In fact, the rental industry that we sell to, basically they'll get one of these things and they'll Loctite them, or sometimes even weld them on the end of the cable before they rent it to a customer, because that's the only cutter they need. They don't want them changing cutters because they tend to lose them.
Don't even let the customer mess around.
No,
yeah, sure, okay.
Just weld this on the end and go. And they can do that because this acts as a starting tool.
Okay.
It will actually do just scaling. It will cut through roots. It will cut through almost anything in the pipe. It has some sharp edges here that are self-sharpening as they grind against a cast iron pipe. People use it for reinstatement after doing a pipe relining. They're that good at actually boring a hole through something, and that's often all you need. Okay, like I said, they come
Sure.
in different sizes, you have different connectors on the end, and they've done a great job. Now, going anywhere from, let's say, 150 RPM up to 500 RPM or so, with sectional or drum style machines, these things work great. But what we found lately is if you put these on a flexible shaft device like this, where it's running at about 2200 RPM, well, then it's a game changer.
Okay.
It allows flex shaft devices to do more, to go have more, you can put more forward momentum on them, and they'll cut through whatever's in the pipe. One of the weaknesses of flex shaft devices is that if it's a really stubborn clog, sometimes you can't get at it.
Sure.
This changes that game.
Okay.
It allows you to actually go in and cut a hole in something, and the chains come by afterwards and knock it to pieces. So it's a game changer when it comes to this at high RPM. So the ClogChopper, many different applications. Try one and see. You'll be one of those customers that comes back and buys all the different sizes. If you have more questions, you can go to drainbrain.com, our website, or call the Drain Brains, our customer service crew, at 800-245-6200. They can answer any questions you have on these.
Extremely versatile.
Extremely versatile.
Thank you, Dave.
Go for it. Thanks a lot.
I appreciate it.
You bet.